Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. So, we were reading lesson The Magic Room, and we have read till page number 98, in which we have read that Poppy is a small girl and she could not go with her parents on a holiday, and she is staying with her aunt Bella, and in the she is staying in a house which is funny and old house, and it has a lot of rooms and strange noises. One day she was alone, and she heard strange noises, so she went upstairs and saw a room which was locked. She found out the key of the lock, it was rusted. She tried to open the door and the door opened. When she opened the door and she went into the room, she saw that there were sparkly silver and gold star and moons, and they were changing colors also. The furniture was not lying on the floor, and the sofa was floating in the air around the ceiling. And Poppy, when she felt scared about this, and so she sat on a chair which was lying on the floor in the center of the room. Let us start reading from here on page number 99. Immediately the table in front got covered with delicious food, cakes, pizzas, cold drinks and ice creams. So suddenly when she sat on the center chair, as you can see here, the table was totally covered with delicious food like cake, pizza, cold drinks and ice creams, etc. Poppy took a cake and tasted it. Heavenly. This is the expression she is going to tell you. Expression heavenly means very delicious, which is out of the world. So she told that when she tasted the cake, she felt it very delicious, a taste out of this world. As Poppy sat enjoying the food, and she started tasting other food items also. So when she was tasting them, the walls that were changing color suddenly became dark. So when she was busy in eating the food, she noticed a change in the walls which were sparkly bright before they suddenly turned into dark color. The room was filled with a light, mysterious darkness, and there was darkness in the room. Mysterious means secret, which is not known by anyone. Okay. She switched on the gold lamp next to the table, and here you can see a gold lamp. She switched on that gold lamp, and when she did so, she heard a sound whoosh. As she switched on the lamp, there was a sound whoosh, and the room filled with smoke. और वो वुश की साउंड से देर वॉज स्मोक एवरीवेयर. फॉर अ वाइल शी कुड नॉट सी एनीथिंग. So as there was smoke everywhere, so she could not see anywhere anything. So as the smoke settled down, लेकिन जब वो smoke कम हुआ, she saw a figure. उसने देखा कि there was a figure appearing, एक shape जैसी कोई आ रही है. And then she saw that it was a boy. और जब ये smoke थोड़ा सा settle down हुआ, वो shape थोड़ी clear हुई, then she saw that it was a shape of a boy. It was a boy. Hi, the boy said. I am a genie of the lamp. Who are you? Now it was the turn of boy who was the genie of the lamp. Okay, तो कौन आया उस लैम्प से निकल के? जिनी, बॉय था वो. तो उसने बॉय ने एकदम उससे पूछा, How are you? Who are you? I am Poppy, she replied. Poppy replied, I am Poppy, but you do not look like a genie. पॉपी ने साथ ही ये भी बोला कि यू डोंट लुक लाइक अ जिनी. जिनी की अगर हम अपीयरेंस अपने माइंड में आइज क्लोज करके देखें तो हमें कैसी अपीयरेंस लगती है, कैसा दिखाई देगा जिनी, है ना? एक लंबी सी चोटी, है ना, पतली सी बियर्ड, ग्रीन या ब्लू कलर का, ऐसी होती है ना हमारी इमेजिनेशन, क्योंकि हमने उसी तरह के जीनीज़ अपनी कार्टून मूवीज़ में या दूसरी प्रोग्राम्स में देखी है. लेकिन वैसे ही जीनी को लगा, पॉपी को लगा. पॉपी ने कहा, यू डोंट लुक लाइक अ जीनी, तुम जीनी जैसे तो दिखते नहीं. द बॉय वॉज वियरिंग एक्सपेंसिव क्लोथ्स एंड लुक लाइक एनी ऑर्डिनरी बॉय. उस बॉय ने एक्सपेंसिव क्लोथ्स पहने थे, ठीक है. You can see that he is wearing garland, no? And expensive clothes. तो लेकिन वो एक ऑर्डनरी बॉय जैसा दिख रहा था, उसकी अपीयरेंस में कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं था कि वो स्पेशल है कुछ. हाउ वुड आई कम टू नो दैट यू आर अ रियल जीनी, सेड पॉपी. पॉपी को उसके ऊपर डाउट हो रहा था. उसने कहा बताओ मुझे कैसे पता चले दैट यू आर अ रियल जीनी. द बॉय लुक्ड एट हर एंड मटर्ड अ काइंड ऑफ स्पेल. बॉय ने उसकी तरफ देखा और अपने मन में ही एक स्पेल बोला. स्पेल मतलब स्पेल बोलते हैं जैसे कोई जैसे एब्रा का डेब्रा है ना, लाइक एक मंत्रा, लाइक बोला हिप हॉप एंड सडनली पॉपी वॉज इन द एयर ऑन द सीलिंग. जब उसने वो बोला स्पेल तो पॉपी कहाँ, वो फ्लोर से उड़ के कहाँ पे उड़ने लगी वो. शी वॉज इन द एयर ऑन द सीलिंग. सीलिंग के पास, छत के पास हवा में उड़ रही थी फिर वो. ओके, so that's all for today. We'll read till here only and we will read the next page tomorrow. I hope you have understood the story and you are enjoying it a lot. So your homework is to read this story again and read the next page also, so that you can get through it properly. So we'll meet tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself.